Hello guys, it's really nice to meet you in Embedded World. It's the first day of the Embedded World today. Today, I was really glad to introduce Firefly series products to you. First of all, let's have a look at our Firefly cluster server and AI NVR. This one is our new product. It's AI NVR, which is compatible with NVIDIA Jetson Nano and NVIDIA Jetson Orin X. Have a look here. This one allows you to connect multiple IPC camera to recording and AI analyzing. For this device, we have Rockchip system and module inside to in charge video coding and decoding. And we also compatible with the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano and NVIDIA Jetson Orin X to in charge of AI analyze. For this 2-1 is our cluster server. This is 2U, this is 1U. This one also compatible with NVIDIA solutions. Also compatible with NVIDIA Jetson Orin X and NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. Inside, you can put 10 system on module for multiple AI analyze. And this one is the cluster server, which allow you to compatible with Rockchip solutions, Qualcomm solutions, and also software solutions. Here, let's have a look at our other new products. Now I introduce Firefly system on module for you. We have a series Firefly system on module for Rockchip solutions, software solutions, and NVIDIA solutions. For Firefly system on module series products, we have different chipsets from the high end to low end in different packages, such as Goldfinger, ball-to-ball, and LGA, PGA, and so on. With Firefly system on module, we are not only release reference design files such as the schematic file, PCB file, and open source code, but also provide technical support to our customers to help them finish their design as soon as possible. Furthermore, we can also provide customization service according to customers' requirements if they don't have ability to develop their own carry board or their own firmware. Now, let's have a look at this one. This one is our new product, our portable NAS products. Our products will come to a Kickstarter campaign at the end of this month. And next, this is our series of single board computer and development kit. For the development kit, in this show, we released our new development kit of NVIDIA solutions. Here, to NVIDIA solutions. It's the first time we bring out today. And here is our mini PC series, which we have AIBOX series and industrial PC series. For the two series, it's compatible with NVIDIA solutions too. And here we have the smart gateway and fanless industrial PC. And we also have AI NVR and facial recognition device. This is AI camera too. So that's all the products we introduced today. We will keep to release new products in the near future to be continued. Thank you.